You are going to start by drawing 3 lines vertically and 4 horizontally, and then you're going to round off your section. I'll show you how. And then you're going to use a zigzag motion to fill in each space. You're going to alternate between starting on the left side and on the right side. So let's round off the space first. So you are going to leave, we're going to create a frame, so we're going to add this area, but you are going to leave each pointy area out. You're going to go over your main line. You're going to keep going. So again, on the main line, pointy area out, and you're going to fill it in. And I'm just gonna go over it here gently because it's already pretty thick. And then filling this in here. And now there is a frame there. And here I started on the left side, so I'm gonna start it on the right side. I'm using micro pens, and I'm gonna turn my page because it just makes it easier. And then that's where, nice and gentle, not putting too much pressure on your pen. You're gonna go back and forth. You are not gonna focus on perfection here, so you're letting go of perfectionism, and instead you're gonna focus on how it feels to go back and forth and how soothing that feels to your nervous system. If the lines overlap, that is welcomed. If the lines are shaky, that is welcome as well. It is, and then you continue to do the same thing over and over again. So that's our pattern. I hope you enjoy.